Did you know that yawning is actually a sign of intelligence and empathy, not just sleepiness? When someone yawns near you, your brain mirrors their action automatically. This happens because of mirror neurons, the same ones that help you understand emotions and connect with others. Research shows that people with higher emotional intelligence yawn more contagiously. Your brain is literally syncing with theirs. The more empathetic you are, the faster you catch a yawn. So next time you yawn in a group, know you're showing your brain's incredible ability to connect. Pretty wild, right? Follow for more mind-blowing health facts.